Hey guys, how are you? I'm going to show you very quickly how to get on Canva, do a book, create a design. I have 4 minutes and 50 seconds, so this is going to be quick. Okay, so here we have Canva. So all I did here was I went over here into my elements. I uploaded this here, my case. I take this here. I go over to my KDP. Okay, boom. This is my KDP website. I go here. You can pick your size. That's 6x9. This is a bleed PDF. Then you pick your paperback manuscript. And right now I'm working on it, as you see right here. It's the author. Let me write down that. THOR, Todd. Okay, slash THOMPSON, millionaire. Air 78. That is my website for my books. And then I hit save. 6x9 line paper. Save. And then I'm going to have to turn that into a PDF. So I go over here to my PDF changer. Let me see where it is here. That's not it. Okay, minimize. Where is my PDF changer at? Okay, PDF. And that's not it. Let's see, where is it? PDF. We've got an app that changes it. Let's see. Where is it? Ease, I think this is it. Yeah, here it is. Ease US PDF editor. Open that up. Okay. That's a text. Okay, so I want to edit it. I want to make sure it is. Oh, here, convert, not edit. I want to make sure it's a PDF. Okay, ping. Okay. Journal 4, save.